President Trump's tariff policy is back in place due to a late afternoon federal appeals court ruling in his favor. Overnight, a federal court had slammed the brakes on most of the tariffs, but at least for now, those tariffs can continue. NBC's Melanie Zanona reports.
A major shakeup in President Trump's tariff plans as a federal trade court ruled he had exceeded his authority and blocked most of the tariffs he's imposed so far, including the 10% rate on most trading partners, the massive reciprocal tariffs that were paused, the steepest levies on China, and the fentanyl-related tariffs on Canada and Mexico. A three-judge panel of the U.S. Court of International Trade said the Trump administration could not rely on emergency powers cited in his executive orders to assume unbounded tariff authority without input from Congress. The White House immediately appealed, with a spokesperson saying it's not for unelected judges to decide how to address a national emergency. Shortly before the ruling, President Trump defended his tariff strategy against a new Wall Street term, referencing that he, quote, chickens out with frequently changing rates.
You call that chickening out? It's called negotiation. You set a number.
Attorneys general from Arizona and Oregon led the legal challenge, calling the tariffs an illegal abuse of power and the court ruling a victory for working families. It comes as close Trump advisor Elon Musk ended his time as a special government employee one day after criticizing the president's one big beautiful budget bill.
I was disappointed to see the massive spending bill, frankly. Which increases the budget deficit, not just decrease it, and undermines the work that the DOGE team is doing.
The bill that passed through the House includes massive tax cuts and immigration spending increases, and some Republican senators say not enough spending cuts. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.